On this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to change your Netflix plan depending on the one that you are currently using. And if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share, and smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. In most cases, you won't be able to change your Netflix plan with your Netflix app. So it's better to just use your browser. So simply open any browser on your phone and then go to netflix.com and then log into that account that you want to change the plan on. So I've already logged into my own Netflix account. So all you have to do now is just click. You can see this icon at the top over there. Just click on it. You are going to see account. Then click on account. Once you click on that, it's going to load up a bit and then it's going to bring you to this section. So at the top, you are going to see change plan. So simply click on that. So once you click on it, you are going to be presented with all the different plans and their different prices, and also you'll be able to see everything that you are going to be getting from each plan. So as you can see, I'm currently using this current plan, standard. So let me say I want to upgrade. I'll simply just click on premium. So it's just like that. So depending on the plan that you are using, you can switch to another plan, and then once you've done that, just click on continue, and that's it. They are going to debit it from your bank account, and then you are going to be upgraded, or rather degraded, to that plan that you actually picked. And that's it for that. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Also, at the end of this video, you might start seeing some of my similar videos, you might start seeing some of my playlists, so you can also take out time to watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.